Oh, hello.
Again. Ow, 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 ow.
So I take it this is a rather heavy-handed
Should I be
physio.
using some kind of like lubricant? No?
Baby amounts. You just don't get treated enough.
Ow,
Keep going.
Ow,
Keep
ow,
going. Keep
ow,
going.
Ow, wait. Can I get a time? Ow.
Seriously?
Yeah. Oh my god. That's...
You can't tell whether she's thoroughly enjoying it.
Wrist.
Ow.
Can't tell whether she's thoroughly enjoying it or she's in
down.
pain. Listen to the cracks.
Oh. Yes.
Hands here.
This?
Over each other. Yep. And then lift your chest and head up.
Whoa.
Okay, what do I do?
You squeeze your legs real hard.
Oh.
There it was.
What the hell?
Somewhere.
Yeah.
Somewhere deep inside.
Very deep.
This guy's amazing.
Oh my god.
Yeah, those are good.
Oh my god. I would love this guy to just crack me from head to toe. Should just fart, or is that him making a fart noise?
That one. All right, roll on your side facing this way. See there. Let's get to this a little more. Let's go. And now, big deep breath. And
Oh. Like, he's got this hammer and chisel literally on the base of the spine.
okay, let's try again. A little better.
It's what they call shockwave therapy. It's been out thousands of years.
Oh,
Push that knee down
Oh man. Okay.
and relax.
Yeah.
And push. Push down.
What the
And
hell?
relax. And push. And relax.
And I don't know where to live.
Oh my god. Ow. Ow.
Hang in there.
Ow. Oh my god. Ow. What is it?
Gracilis.
Pain slash
Oh my
pleasure.
god. Ow.
Bit like mum sex.
Okay.
Starts off painful, becomes enjoyable. So I've heard. No, I'm never done. I'm just making assumptions from what I've heard from other people, not myself.
Oh, okay. Okay, butt hammer. Oh.
Can raise that leg again.
Oh my god.
There we go. That feel better?
Yeah.
And the left side now. Yeah, that one needs to work now, comparatively.
This guy's a master. I see his t-shirt says Las Vegas, and then I have to look this guy up. Oh my god, it just looks so satisfying.
What are you using? Oh, the usual?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Loosey goosey?
Yeah, feels good. I got a little crack there too.
There you go.
It's good.
You can pay with kisses though.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank God they're a couple.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
We need you,
But thank God they're a couple, because that was very close for my liking. Like, if that was my wife being treated, touched in those sort of places, I don't know, I'd be too happy about that. But yeah, obviously his girlfriend or wife. But seriously, like, Elite OSM Las Vegas, I'm going to look this guy up. And when next out in Las Vegas, I am definitely 100% hooking up with this guy. He's going to crack me from head to toe and stick a hammer and chisel in my bun and make me feel some insane pleasure.
Oh my god. What the hell is that?
It's a hood classic. Get it.
Hey, look at that. I can swim.
So bite down. Okay, and now the other side. Okay, back down. Does it feel the same?
No,
Which one feels harder?
this one.
Right one.
But that's also the glass side. Maybe that's why.
Mr. Glass.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Yes, just hammer and chisel.
It's like my bones are broken.
Hang in there. It's just a little hammer.
Oh my god.
That's what they thought about. You can't touch this.
That is
And
it.
then we got too legit to quit.
Oh my god.
Okay, raise that leg again.
I'm scared. Is it better?
Back down. How did it feel?
I felt like I actually used my glute.
There we go. That's what we need.
That was the best articulated
Yeah,
answer.
That made sense?
Yeah.
Yeah.
the most sense.
Oh my god.
Try it again.
Is that why it's activating the glute finally?
Yeah, the hip's in the position where you can't activate the glute.
Oh my god. I felt, oh my god.
And again. Yeah. And the left side.
Wow. I have a butt muscle again. That's amazing.
So you were feeling like your right side wouldn't activate before?
Yeah. Someone even told me that. They were like, your glute is dead when they saw me walking.
Walking?
Same,
They were looking
isn't
at your
it?
glute while you were
I
walking?
was like, what do you mean it's dead? And they're like, it's not activating.
Who came up with this method of hammer and chisel
I think
to
they
sort
also
of break down the
did
muscle
body work
fascia
on me
and help the
'cause
muscle release?
They
And,
gave me the biggest bruise to like get out the dead.
and this
glute
is
to
thousands of
probably-
years old. Thousands.
Why was I getting goosebumps? Does that mean that something is
Yes.
affecting everything? Are you gonna explain this? It's a mystery.
I mean, just all the input from the other part of your upper part of your neck goes all the way to your head, your brain. So anytime you're having problems there, you're going to start getting sensations all over the place.
So I will
Oh,
be
this
able
is
to think
gonna really like
Allegedly.
crack this
Okay.
girl's neck and back
My IQ is going up.
As you're getting choked.
so bad.
And then I
right
die.
now.
Great.
It's going up, and I'm asleep.
It's gone. Oh shit.
And then my wife's holding your legs. So bite down.
My god. That's so scary. What the fuck? Could they hear that? Because that was like a chunk of this size in my neck.
Where'd you feel it? Straight down the center?
Yes. Like this. What the hell?
Things that people learn and do as physios and chiropractors, and it's mind blowing. That Dr. Bill Hightower is literally one of the best in the industry. Absolutely insane. He has worked on me. Incredible.